All right, so let's do a few review problems together here. So first off, we're doing 2.3 times 0.214. So I'm going to line it up just like I normally would for my multiplication. And I'm not going to include the decimal here. All right. I don't need to line it up if I don't want to. So instead of writing it like this, I'm going to write it like this. So I'm going to start off by doing 3 times 4 to get 12, 3 times 1 to get 3 plus my 1 that I carried over. That's going to give me 4. And then we do 3 times 2 to get 6. So I have 642 when I multiply 3 times 214. And now I'm doing 2 times 4. That's going to give me 8. 2 times 1, that's going to give me 2. And then 2 times 2, that's going to give me 4. And so now I'm just going to add my two products here. I have 2, and I have 12, carry my 1. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 2 is 9. And then I have 4 here. So I have 4,922. But obviously 0.214 multiplied by 2.3 isn't going to equal 4,922. So I have to pay attention to how many places after the decimal point do I have. In other words, if I were to move this decimal point all the way to the right, 1, 2, 3, 1. All right, so I moved it 3 times here. I moved it 1 time here. 3 plus 1 for a total of 4 moves. And so that's how many places I need to move the decimal point from right to left, right? We're doing the opposite. So going left to right, we're going to be going 1, 2, 3, 4 moves to the left. And so my new product would be 0.4922. All right, now let's look at the next problem. So here I'm going to line it up the same way. I'm going to do 18 times 342. Not going to use that decimal place for now. We're going to do 8 times 2 to get 16, carry the 1. 8 times 4 is 32, plus the 3 is 33, carry my 3. 8 times 3 is 24, plus my 3 gives me 27. Then remember I need to write a 0 down here as a placeholder because I'm done with my 1s. Now moving on to my 10s. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 4 is 4. And 1 times 3 is 3. So here we would have 6, 5, 11, carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6. All right, now I have to look at how many places after the decimal are there. 1, 2, 1. So I moved it 2 places here, 1 place here. So I'm going to start far right, move to the left. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 places because 2 plus 1 equals 3. That's how many places I need to move it over from right to left. So my final answer would be 6.156. All right, I will leave these final two problems for you to complete. But again, you're just multiplying like you normally would with multi-digit numbers. And then you're just looking at how many places do I need to move that decimal place, all right? Because if we were to move it 2 places to the right here and 2 places to the right here, well, it's a total of 4 moves. And so when we get our answer for 3, we would take that decimal point, right, after our numbers, and we move it 4 places to the left. All right, hopefully this helps. Thank you guys so much for your time.